all know how difficult, we all know how frustrating, and we all know how tiring and boring being a content creator or coming to become a YouTuber can be, especially when you have no clue, when you have no idea where to start from and how to go about things, and you don't even have anyone to talk to about your frustrations that your very favorite YouTubers, your big YouTubers, will not want to share with you. Hey teammates, hi, welcome to officially my very first YouTube video here on this space. Okay, I know you guessed right. You actually want to come and know what is cooking here on this space. Yes, this video is airing as at when you're watching this video on the very first day of April, which coincidentally happens to be my birthday. And yes, it is a birthday gift from me to me. It has been a long time coming, yes, and I felt like this is the very best time I should put up this video right here. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this space. Before we proceed, I will need you to take a time out and type happy birthday in the comment section and congratulations to me for achieving this, because if you don't know, this is a very huge achievement to me. Anyone who knows what content creation is, particularly here on this YouTube space, will know that it's not an easy journey to be here on this space. Fine, what is this channel VK Tip IQ all about? This channel is going to be all about tips and tricks on how to grow here on this space, on YouTube space. We all know how difficult, we all know how frustrating, and we all know how tiring and boring being a content creator or coming to become a YouTuber can be, especially when you have no clue, when you have no idea where to start from and how to go about things, and you don't even have anyone to talk to about your frustrations, and you try to see how you can research on YouTube space to see the tips and tricks on how to grow here on this space, particularly the fundamentals on growing on this space. And that's why I thought it wise that I should bring up my knowledge that I've learned over the years here on this space and share with you all as we learn together to grow here on this space. You will be learning from me, and as well I learning from you right there in the comment section, because I want this channel to be a channel where we work as team, yes, as teammates. That's why I always call you guys my teammates, because you're learning and you're trying to grow. I'm learning and I'm trying to grow. And let me put this disclaimer right there. I'm no professional, right? I'm no guru. This is just me coming to share with you all my knowledge over the years that your very favorite YouTubers, your big YouTubers, will not want to share with you. I've been over this space for over 4 years and counting in my other channel, and I feel like every knowledge I've learned here is something I should share with new beginners. At least you should know. Why not if not? Right, guys, I really love you to leave your ideas, your opinions, your suggestions right there in the comment section, and let's move down there and know what's going to be cooking here on this channel, right? Definitely, if this is what you'll be interested in, yes, you want to come back again to see this space and know more and learn more here on this space, please just do well to stick around by clicking on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free of charge, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell next to it so that you always be the first to get notified whenever a new video pops up here on this space, right? Like I said, let me know what your thoughts, your opinions, your ideas and suggestions are in the comment section. And remember to always stay glued, remember to stay tuned on this space, as I'll be bringing you amazing and interesting educating content here on this space on how you're going to grow and how we're going to grow on this space, right? Stay glued, stay tuned, as I'll see you in my next video. But for now, bye guys.